Right, now to get the handle off, there's a viewing port here. You pull off the cap, and if you want to, you can actually pull off the female part. Then inside here you'll see a lever. Now there is a BMW tool for this. You can use such a situation as I've created here, an Allen key with a vice grip, and you hook that lever and you push it in, and then when it's time to put the door handle back on, you pull it out. Now because I've taken this off quite recently, it is not very tight, so I'm just going to locate that pin inside there and just tap it with a screwdriver without bending it. I know there is a special tool for this, but it's not necessary. Right, there we go. That's really how easy it is. As you can see, the handle is there now. Now I'm gonna get this handle out now. Interesting. There's the handle, and then I'm gonna disconnect the power to it, or the plugs. 1 and 2. There's the handle. So that's how you remove the handle for BMW car. And when you want to put it back in, to install this, what you need to do is a steel piece here, almost like a strip, and it needs to be all the way to the end. This thing is what we are going to pull to lock the door handle in place. So we need to put it all the way to the end so we can slide the door handle in. Once we've done that, I'll grab it using that Allen key, and then good to go. This is a little bit tricky, getting this in. Right, almost. And the comfort access is now really working. There we go. And there it's in. Right, so now what we do is we open the door, and in that hole I'm going to find the lever that I'm going to pull. I'm just going to get an Allen. There's my Allen key. I'm going to use this to grip that lever in there. It's a bit tricky. There we go, got it. I'm going to now grip it with the vice grip. There we go, heard the click. Okay. Let's test it. Don't drop the Allen key in the door. Right. Clip back in. Over here. And the viewing port, I've left this one by my tools.